Hi guys, it's me Hayden. Welcome back to my channel, and today we're gonna do part 2 of my Shein clothes. So let's get this box open.
Got it?
Mm-hmm.
Got it?
Mm-hmm. There.
Girl, just please. There you go.
Here is my first outfit. Oh, I got double. Here is my first outfit. It's like a back to school dress.
Oh, that's so cute. Oh, you love it?
It's so cute.
Creators gonna create.
Mm-hmm. And it says maths, knowledging, power.
Okay, girl.
And it says you are, it says you are raw, just skip that part. And there's like a glow, map book,
Okay.
books, and,
Awesome.
and paintbrush and pencil. That's
You gonna open the other one?
Ooh, it looks so colorful. Ooh! My first one we have is a primary color one. Red, blue, and yellow.
Okay.
So cute. Second one is this one. It is blue, pink, purple, and yellow.
Okay, a pack of t-shirts.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then this next one is orange, pink, light blue, and dark blue.
You like the color?
Yes, I love. I can just dig in the box.